Here's a video Wera 6004 Joker. The packaging on Wera is just second to none. That's probably why they're so expensive. Between the packaging, presentation, and a quality holder or case, second to none. Anyway, this nice box, sticker. More information. There's that. This catalog. Teaching you about it. Anyway, Velcro. Put that in some way. These are the smaller sizes, the larger sizes you have to order individually. But this right here, this set here by itself would get you from, let's see, that is from a 10 to a 7, pretty much a 10 all the way to a 16 on the metric. As a matter of fact, make that 7. They get you from a 7 all the way back to a 16 metric, and from 1/4 all the way to 5/8. So a 1/4 inch to 5/8. Not bad. This one is very, very small, but you want a small washer nut, and get by, it'll get you by. Will say, I'm a fan. Just at the small size, so this is 4 tools, and only thing that'll limit me on this set is this head. It is wider than a regular spanner, but the versatility and capability of the ratchet in action and just being able to have that many sizes in a small pouch like this. This will be in my service bag for everyday usage. Like, if I got to go run out and check something out, I will probably carry this. And if these don't work, then I'll go back and I know, okay, I'm at least close to the size, that's what I need. But as long as you can get the head in the area you need to get to, you'll be fine. So I have the larger size of this. That's go from, I think I got it. It's I got the 3/4 to the next step, or the next sizes. I can't remember what the top. I think it's 1 1/4. 3/4 to 1 1/4, or 3/4 to, can't remember. Or 5/16. But and I use it all the time, and it's great. I actually got 2 of that size, so I can, you know, wrench on, tighten up bolts and nuts. But I had to go ahead and get the set. Yes, it is a little gimmicky, but I mean, why not try new tools? It's just awesome. It's pretty cool. They even have the insulated set, but it's kind of pointless. It's not much I'm going to be using this on a live environment where I would need VDE, and at that point, you know, you're doing too much anyway. If you got to be live or that's your job, you know, you're electrical, you would need that, but I'm just a handy dandy maintenance guy. That is it. Now I'm about to make me a video on this.